Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing the AirPods Max from their smart case and hold them near your iPhone. A pairing animation appears automatically and prompts you to connect the headphones. Tap Connect and follow on-screen instructions to register with your Apple ID. After pairing, open Settings then Bluetooth to confirm connection and battery percentages for each ear cup. If you need to pair with a non-Apple device, press and hold the noise control button until the LED flashes white. Then select the headphones in that device's Bluetooth menu. Use the digital crown to play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust volume precisely. Rotate the crown clockwise to raise volume and counterclockwise to lower volume. Press the crown once to play or pause and twice to skip forward. The noise control button toggles active noise cancellation and transparency modes instantly for situational awareness. Spatial audio provides immersive head-tracked sound with supported apps on iPhone and iPad, and remains automatic when enabled in Control Center settings. Plug the lightning cable into the bottom of the right ear cup and into a power source to charge. A full charge takes a few hours and delivers up to 20 hours of listening with active noise cancellation or spatial audio enabled. 5 minutes of charging provides about 5 hours of playback time for quick top-ups before travel. Place the headphones in the smart case when not in use to enter low power mode and preserve battery between uses. If audio stutters or pairing fails, restart your device and reset the headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.